Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Pentair Aqualuminator Aboveground Pool Light and Water Return. The easy and safe way to illuminate your aboveground pool is with the Pentair Aqualuminator Light and Water Return. It installs in minutes into your pool's existing water return hole. The water return and light fixture are combined in a single, integrated, and highly efficient unit. No cutting new holes in your pool. Identical to the Pentair Aqualuminator and Darkbuster. Transformer not included. Features: includes light and water return fitting. Fits most above-ground pools. Halogen quartz light. Easy plug and play setup. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.